Not every assignment in your class requires the same level of planning from students. Some are routine tasks that can usually be completed in a single work session. Others require students to plan ahead and spread their work over several days. And some simply serve as reminders without requiring dedicated work time. Helping students recognize those differences is an important part of developing effective planning habits. That's why Studyo lets you communicate not only what students need to do, but also how much planning and attention each assignment is likely to require. You'll notice that tasks can also display different icons. These task types provide additional context by helping students quickly recognize the kind of work they're looking at. They can be customized directly in Studyo or automatically assigned based on your LMS categories and other criteria. Let's start with Google Classroom. By default, simply adding a space followed by an asterisk to the end of an assignment title tells Studyo to identify it as an exam with a medium workload level. Additional mapping rules can also be configured to match your school's needs. If you create assignments directly in Studyo, workload and task type can also be selected explicitly as you publish the assignment. You may have noticed that every assignment in Studyo can be marked as completed, even exams. Think of them as representing the preparation leading up to the exam. Students should be ready before the exam takes place, so marking the task as completed simply means their preparation is done. Some items, however, aren't really meant to be completed at all. Announcements, special activities, tutoring availability, and similar events simply lose their meaning once they've passed. That's exactly what the reminder workload level is for. Instead of remaining in a student's planner as overdue, reminder level tasks automatically disappear after their due date. Workload levels communicate how much planning an assignment is likely to require. The next challenge is making sure those demanding assignments don't all accumulate on the same day or during the same week. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how the Workload Manager helps teachers spread workload more effectively.